In the wake of rising cases in several states, Delhi government has decided that it will issue an order mandating a COVID negative report from the passengers coming from 5 hotspot states. The order will come into effect on the 26th of February and will stay in force till the 15th of March. Now, this is a very important decision taken by the Delhi government. Passengers coming into Delhi from the 5 hotspot states will have to furnish a COVID negative report. Ayushman Kumar joining me with the details. Ayushman, this is again important information for people to know. Delhi is the capital city. There is a lot of traveling to and from Delhi for passengers and residents from across the country. Give us the important points about this government order. Which are the states passengers from there will have to furnish this report, and what kind of a test report will be required?
Well, Afrida, this is the RT-PCR test report, which is mandatory for people coming from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Kerala and Maharashtra. These 5 states are currently the states from where the caseload over 80% is coming. The Delhi government has decided that from 26th Feb midnight, this order will be implemented and it will go up to 16th March. This order will be there in place. Currently, we have been told that looking at the situation in these 5 states, the Delhi government has decided that mandatory RT-PCR negative test will be important for all those people who are traveling from Maharashtra, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab to Delhi, because currently in the national capital we are seeing the declining ratio of cases which are coming to light, and in order to continue that trend it is very important to see whether people who are coming from other states are not potential carrier or they don't become a super spreader. And that is why at all places, at airport, at railway station and also at the bus terminals, the negative RT-PCR report will be mandatory, though we are still to get a clarity as to what will happen to all those people who are coming by car. That is not yet clear, but one thing is for sure, that Delhi government has taken the matter of rising cases in these 5 states seriously, and now from 26 midnight it would be mandatory for everyone who are traveling from these states to the national capital to bring a negative COVID negative report of RT-PCR. Only then they will be allowed an entry in the national capital.
Yes, so Ayushman, let's just put that out loud and clear. Anyone who's planning to travel to Delhi from these 5 hotspot states from 26th February onwards, you will require an RT-PCR test report if you're traveling by air or by rail. Road passengers, as of now, Ayushman says there is no clarity. Thanks for joining us with the latest.